This is the modern abstract rug from Amada Homefurnishings. We got the 8x10 in the gray color. I love that all of the colors that they offer are sort of neutral and would go with pretty much any living room furniture. So be sure you're selecting the color that matches your decor. We were sent the 8x10 size and it fits well in our living room. We do have a fairly large living room, so be sure and measure your space. The texture of the fabric is really soft and it's a low pile carpet, which makes it really easy to keep clean. You can vacuum this really easily and it's even machine washable. So if you have a washing machine that is large enough to fit your area rug in, then you can put it in the washing machine and then hang it out to dry. One thing that I really love about these area rugs is that they're a low pile carpet. So one, things roll really nicely on them. So if you are using an office chair or something with wheels, it will roll nicely. Two, it is really easy to vacuum, especially if you have pets. You're able to vacuum up the hair and the debris off of the carpet really easily. It doesn't get all tangled in there.
We love having a rug that is just so soft and makes for such a cozy place to sit with our animals on the floor. It really makes such a big difference when you come home and just want to relax with them.
The backside of the rug is a non-slip rubberized material, so it holds the rug in place and it helps ensure that you won't slip or trip on this rug. We really enjoy this area rug from Amada Homefurnishings. We would highly recommend this to anyone looking to accent their living room with a neutral yet modern look.